In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store. So to do this, first just go to Namecheap, go to your domain list, and then on your domain just go to the Manage section. Now Namecheap has made this very simple. All you need to do is go to Advanced DNS right here. Then I also recommend just copying your domain while you are here. And then under DNS templates, just click on Choose DNS template and select Shopify. Then go and click on Save right there. Then Continue. Then it will reconfigure your DNS to point towards Shopify. So you can see right here, it does that automatically. Now just go to Shopify, click Settings. Then in the left menu, you want to go to Domains. And then here click Connect Existing Domain. Now just paste in the domain you just copied or type it manually and then click Next. And now since we have already automatically pointed the domain towards Shopify, you can see that now it works automatically and now I have just connected it. So you can now see that if I go to this URL, it is a Shopify page not found page. Now I haven't created my store. If I were to publish my store, then from there it would show the store when I go to that domain. So now you know how to connect a Namecheap domain to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.